And what brought you to the Rising Lotus Allergy Center, and what have you noticed as the benefits?
Well, I've had allergies ever since I came back to Wyoming. I was living in Alaska for a while. I had no problem. Came back to Wyoming and started having major issues with allergies. And I was tested, and I was taking shots, and I was on inhalers, and this winter was horrible for me. I was sick most of the winter. I get a horrid chronic cough. Nothing seemed to work, and I had just had it. I was so tired of being sick and tired. And you know, I would go to the doctor and they'd say, well, you know, you're getting older. And I decided getting older means you can do it well. And so I came to you and said I wanted to be better. So we started working on it, and we've done the food allergies. Sugar was a biggie for me. I really noticed that. And I'm just feeling so much better. And we haven't even gotten to the Airborne. So I'm really excited for that to happen. I'm feeling great.
Good. And a lot of your friends have noticed differences too.
Yes, I hear it all the time. You know, for one thing, I had absolutely the worst cough you've ever heard, and people would say, "You're not coughing," and I said, "No, I'm not." You know, I just the all over feeling is I'm just doing really good. You know,
that's great. Thank
feeling
you.
healthy.
Anything else?
Well, yeah, the acid reflux. We did the acid, and I had a terrible time with acid reflux, and we did 2 treatments for that, and I don't have the problem. I can eat things and don't have to worry about my stomach just bloating out, you know, and feeling ill, just feeling ill. I'm just doing so much better.
Great.
Thank you.
You're welcome.